And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 37. Let me show you how to apply the corners effect to make them round to elements that aren't paths. So I've talked about that in the last two videos. We need a path element, and you can see that right here. When it's selected, it says path. And at the bottom, that's usually a polygon, rectangle, triangle, something like that. And then you can use the corners, and radius will make these corners round. So what now if we have a text element? You can see when it's selected, all of these path effects are grayed out because text objects do not support live path effects. But we have the option to convert it to a path. You can do that right there or at the top using path, object to path. And if you watch carefully the bottom, this has now changed from a text element to a path element. And now all of these path effects aren't grayed out anymore, and we can use the corners. So whenever you encounter an element that doesn't allow you these path effects, especially in this case, the rounded corners, just go to path and then use object to path. And if I activate the nodes tool here, you can see I can actually adjust the roundness for each corner individually. So this works on the text just like it worked, for example, on a polygon that we've used in the last video. Once more, path object to path is what you need to use. But there's also this option that you've seen on the right hand side under path effects. Let me create a new text. So the path effects automatically detect that this is not a path, and then you can use right here this option, convert to path. Again, that's the same as using path and object to path. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.